Ladies and gentlemen, I want to do a product review for you guys. As you guys know, I've been working with Benchmark Abrasives for a long time. We're probably going on 4 years now, and they're absolutely awesome. Every product that I've used from them has been a quality product, and I stand by it. I use their abrasives every single day, and guess what? They just came out with a new electric angle grinder. It's a 7 amp, 4.5 inch, runs at about 11,000 RPM. This thing is super awesome. It's got your standard cord, plugs right in, guys, but this thing is very nice in the hands. It's not big, bulky, any of that stuff. It's got a nice spot to where you can, move with 2 hands. Comes with your safety shield as well as your hand grip. 2 things I don't typically use. But yeah, so let me show you guys how quick this thing is to switch out stuff. Literally go from a flat cutoff wheel. This is the Benchmark 4X premium cutoff wheel. These things are bad to the bone. Let's say we want to switch over to a Benchmark Abrasives Zirconia flat disc. This is a 40 grit. Literally just pop it right on. Twist it, hold your spindle lock nut, give it an extra little twist. Bam, just like that, you're ready to roll. Say you want to switch to the resin fiber disc with a backing pad, which if you guys don't know about that, you're missing out. Those things are bad to the bone, and they're a fraction of the cost. So you'll go ahead, hold your spindle lock, twist your flap disc off, pull your top nut and your bottom slotted nut. You'll go ahead and put your backing pad on. Then guys, your fiber disc, then your lock nut. Go ahead and twist it. Give it a nice little twist, grabbing all 3. Spindle still locked. Bam, you're good to go. You're ready to grind. Let me give you a little test run, guys. Also, Benchmark Abrasives grinding hood. If you don't have one, get one. Put some gloves on real quick. I'm a big believer in PPE, guys, so gloves and safety shield at all times. So let's just use, I just did another video, but let's grind some edges on this. Let's show you how fast it really works. Guys, I don't know how many seconds that was, but literally just rounded the whole, I just angled that whole corner off this thing in no time. Disc still has plenty of life. It is a little worn. Obviously, you don't want to be grinding the edge of 3/16 plate, especially not hot roll. Let's switch over and let's cut it off. Let's see where we get. See what we get. Safety shield back on. Just like that, guys. I only use the best products, and I'm only showing you the best products, guys. If you guys want to go and snag yourself up some Benchmark Abrasives, snag up their grinders, snag up all these abrasives, you can go to their website, www.benchmarkabrasives.com, and to save you a couple extra bucks, use my code, MarioFab10. That'll get you 10% off, and save you some money, buy some good stuff, guys. These right here, resin fiber disc. This is in a 60 grit. You can get these in all kinds. It is a ceramic disc. These here, guys, are the Zirconia 4.5 inch flap disc. This is in a 40 grit. These are also, I believe they have a sale. I'm not sure. You guys might want to head to the website and check them out. One last thing, guys, that they do have is the quick release lock nut. This tool is going to work fantastic. They work great on the grinders too. Not quite as fast as the regular nut that it comes with, but where these do work is if any of you guys have this rapid stop Milwaukee, you guys know how hard that lock nut gets stuck on once it stops. This nut, tighten it right up, do your thing, hit the rapid stop. This nut's guaranteed to pull right off, guys. So you can also find this on their website. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to come back. We'll have another video next week on another tech tip, but that's it for now, guys.